It's about the baby that's in Mommy's tummy. Remember when we first told you about the baby? Are we gonna have a baby? Yeah. And we said we don't know if it's gonna be a boy or a girl yet. Remember that?
That's a boy.
Think so?
Boy.
Well, we were able to find out what it is.
Baby boy. Baby. Baby.
Oh yeah? Well, it's a boy. We found out you're gonna have a brother. Is that exciting?
Yes.
Yeah? What do you think about that?
Dad.
A brother, huh?
Are you speechless?
Yeah, there's a boy inside Mommy's tummy.
Talk like a big girl.
Boo boo.
Talk like a big girl. Use your words.
And there, boo boo.
Boo boo, is that what you're gonna call him?
Yeah.